Hey, it's Dwayne, your Ottawa Real Estate Agent. And today we are back in the village of Manotick. We're in the community of Mahogany. We're going to be touring the Elderberry single-family home, 3,000 square foot, 4-bed, 4-bath, on an 82-foot lot. We're going to be taking a tour of that. Absolutely beautiful house. But before we begin, for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Dwayne Desveaux. I am an Ottawa real estate agent out here traveling around the different communities in the town, viewing all of these townhomes, these single-family homes, these model homes, with the intent of providing you as much real estate information and content as possible so that I am able to help you with your real estate needs. For those of you who are returning to my channel, welcome back. I appreciate it. Now, fun fact about this community, the Chio Dream Home is actually just up the road from here. Its tickets went on sale last week, earlier in the week, I believe. Absolutely beautiful house. Had an opportunity to go have a view of it. Maybe I'll put some content about that afterwards. But for now, we're going to take a look at this absolutely stunning Elderberry. Let's see if I walk over here. Elderberry, 3,218 square foot, massive single family home. Oh, backwards again. Okay. So with that being said, let's go over here. We are going to pop in here and have a look at this home. There you go. All right. So we are located in Mahogany community in Manotick Village along the Ottawa River, the Rideau River, my apologies. And we are going to pop in there. Let's go take a look.
Okay, welcome to our next tour of one of these beautiful MINTO model homes here in the community of Mahogany in the village of Manotick. This here is the Elderberry model, and folks, let me tell you, this is an absolutely stunning home. It's on a 52-foot lot. It'll give you over 3,000 square feet, and as you can see here, the MINTO only uses the quality exterior finishes such as the brick exterior and stone steps, providing an opportunity for purchasers to select from exterior designs and features. Now, as we head in, don't forget to check out the sweeping staircase and the butler's pantry, one of my favorite additions for these models. Enjoy.
All right, folks, that wraps up our tour of the stunning Elderberry model. This 4-bed, 4-bath, 3,000 square foot, stunning single-family home has everything you could possibly want. Some of my favorite features of this house was the spiral staircase going upstairs, the chef's kitchen, and of course, not to be forgotten, the walk-in pantry. Now, one of the highlights to this community is that it is the home to the CHIO Dream of a Lifetime Grand Prize Lottery Minto Dream Home. This year it's called the Oasis. It's a 5,000 square foot, absolutely amazing home. We took a walk through it as well. I'll be putting out some videos shortly to highlight the features and designs of that home. Absolutely beautiful home, and it just goes to show you the craftsmanship and the quality of work that Minto puts into their homes is above reproach. Hey, if you're interested in this home, in this community, or any other community in Ottawa and surrounding areas, please feel free to reach out. As your Ottawa realtor, my job is to introduce you to your dream home. I'll put my number right here. There we go. Additionally, if you liked the video and you enjoyed this home tour, like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any potential videos that could be more amazing than this one coming up in the future. Now, with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.